Why a strong professional bio matters.
A well-crafted bio is your first impression in the tech industry. It helps hiring managers and collaborators quickly understand your strengths, experience, and unique value. On platforms like LinkedIn or personal websites, a professional bio can open doors to new opportunities and set you apart from other candidates.
Key elements of a tech bio.
The previous user assessment is important because it ends to please compelling and clear picture. Then mention certifications or involvement in projects can also strengthen your profile.
Structuring your bio effectively.
Start with your professional identity, then highlight achievements and skills. Open with a compelling introduction, such as your title or area of focus. Add a sentence or two about key projects, technologies, or results. End with a personal touch, like your motivation or professional interests.
Tips for making your bio stand out.
Be specific, authentic, and use active language. Quantify achievements where possible, such as improved system uptime by 20%. Avoid jargon that only insiders understand, but demonstrate your expertise clearly. Update your bio regularly to reflect current roles and accomplishments.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Don't let your bio be overly generic, outdated, or too long. Avoid long lists of skills without context, and steer clear of buzzwords that lack substance. Double-check for typos and ensure your bio aligns with your resume and other professional materials.
Putting it all together.
Create your own engaging tech bio by following this structure and focusing on your unique value. Regularly reviewing and updating your bio ensures you're presenting your best self for every new opportunity in the fast-moving tech world.